on the ground.
Tamis.
Trying to get to the ground.
Yo, look at flop. Boy, si flop andito. Look at flop. Second flop now. Yo, start. Wait. Be careful. You'll funnel on the... Okay, yo, roll the ones inside. Poke the guys inside you. Be careful. Don't funnel. Be careful. Come back west, boys. Pull them in. Pull them in. Tanks, let them in. Be careful. Tanks, come in. Come in. Come west, please. Pull out. Tanks. Listen to me. Pull out. I don't want to fight there. Come west. Come west. Pull out. Chill, boys. Chill. A1 Drake and kalma nyo. Come west. Yo, poke this guy. Poke the tanks inside. Yeah. Come northwest now. We'll absorb one engage. Get ready your parts. Yo, take face north now. Ready east. East now. Walk in. Everybody walk in. Start holding them now. Start delaying them. Come east. Ready. Defense. Good job. You're good. We're standing. Yo, run here. Hold them here. Everybody dies here. Everybody dies here. Keep rolling south now. Roll south. Keep rolling. Yo, they're gonna engage on the top. Be careful. Drop east. Defense here. Here's on the ground. You're fine. Good job. Keep dealing damage. Yo, inside. 3, 2, 1. Anything you can drop. Anong GG?
GG daw, GG.
Let them reset.
Reset.
Okay, let them
Reset daw, reset.
Come northwest. Stop. Bakit may GG? Come northwest.
Okay lang mag-reset.
Come northwest.
Napag mismamot.
Humingi yata ng reset.
Ba't wala akong bawas dun? Ako din.
Bro, you're such a troll, man. Riding a mammoth in there.
-1 -1. Gagi, gusto ba niyo dismount?
Roar! Run from mammoth.
Command Mammoth incoming.
They want to fight them too.
Roar!
Yeah, they want to fight on the two.
Because they're Clapcom.
Yo, listen, this is how we're gonna break a choke, okay? We're gonna absorb one engage. Heavy maces, you sneak inside, alright? The delay tanks will be next, okay? Get ready now. I need a heavy mace to disrupt the engage. We're on Clapcom. Come. This a fake. Earthron is their main engage. Hold now. Yo, start pushing in. Death tanks, heavy mace now. Start pushing in. DPS chill. Start pushing in. Yo, ready? Inside. 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Inside. Just full engage. Drop all your ace. Good job. Kill them now. Roll here. Wipe them.
Yung alien.
What the fuck? Oh, my looking at. Kanina.
Wait, come back.
GG, oy, stop.
Back out.
Yup.
Yung alien.
Come northwest.
Draken, huwag mo naman patayin agad.
Tangin na ni Dragon, pinapasabog eh. Boys, come.
Yung isa doon, naka-battering ram talaga ang weapon, no?
Let me mount.
Both mount, forgotten di daw niya. Forgotten, take meter.
Copy that.
I know him, boss, sorry.
Yeah. Spread. One more time. Death tanks, okay? One more time. Yo, death tanks, start inching up. DPS, don't be too far back. Come southeast now. Start walking in. Ready. They're gonna come. Hold now. Be careful with tanks. Yo, everybody walk in. Be careful in this choke. They're gonna engage on this choke. Hold now. They're gonna engage. Wait. Okay, inside, wait. Walk in, boys. Just walk in. Be fucked up. Southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on this bend, on this bend, on this bend, on this bend. Give it damage on this bend, give it damage on this bend.
Engaging.
Defense. Just keep, drop defense, now, bro. Walk with them, walk with them. Yeah, it's fine. Walk with them. Roll them now, roll them. Heal inside. Come southwest. Get up northwest bend, please. Get up northwest bend. Yo, get ready to slap them. 10 seconds they're gonna engage you. Ready, hold now. Ready, inside, 5. Wait, 4. Ready, pass, 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Yo, bro here. Kahit a little bit, I need you to kite a little bit. Heels inside now, heels inside. Come up the small choke northwest here. Come up the small choke northwest, boys. Small choke northwest.
Engage,
Ready, let us come in. On the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke. Drop east on the choke. Yo, keep kiting west. Come west, boys. Come west. Keep kiting. Heels up. Heels on the ground, keep kiting. We're gonna go down northwest stroke. Go down northwest stroke. I want you to regroup with me. Come northwest stroke, boys. Northwest stroke. Yo, stop the choke now. Heal the choke. Ready, on the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke now. Give it damage. Defense. Yo, walk in. Hold them now. They're trying to run. Drop east here. They're trying to run. Stabilize east, please. Stabilize east. Yeah. Stabilize east. Heels on the ground. Duty on the ground. Drop your duties, boys. Drop your duties, man. Drop your duties. Heels on the duty. Come southeast. Yo, wrap them southeast. Left and southeast. Go southeast. Yo, all of you east. South in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All of you east here. No, spread again. They're gonna make a clump here. Hold now. Yo, defense east. Help me east. Good job. Now, ball and walk in. Ball inside. Anytime now. North. They're going north. Walk with them north. North in 5, north in 4, 3, 2, 1. On the ground. Give it damage here. Yo, come west. We're gonna kite. Come west. Spread west side. Spread southeast now. All your east. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the ground. Give it damage on the ground. All of you east. Ball here. It's fine. Yo, the air compress is the main engage. Come. Spread now. Just keep spreading. Keep fighting, boys. Keep fighting. We're not done. Keep fighting it. Yo, I want you to reset all your cooldowns. Stop chasing them. Reset all your cooldowns. Come west. Reset all your cooldowns. Hold your east. Yo, let them punish. Here's on the ground. Come north. Help my southeast. Come north. Yo, main engage is gonna come. Hold now. Spread. Help Forgotten in the backline. Help Forgotten in the northwest. Heels Unforgotten. Ready. Look southeast. All of you east. Southeast in 5. Southeast in 4, 3, 2, 1. All of you east now. All of you east. Blow this up. Now ball here. Ready. Defense. Good defense. You're good. You're doing perfectly fine. You're fine. They're dying. Absorb this. Yo, 4 seconds. Stay inside. Hold them inside. Look northeast. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North now. Give it damage here. Yo, ball here. Yo, they're gonna engage. Defense. Good job. Just glance it. Yo, I have duty on the ground. Heels on the ground. Good job. Yo, absorb this like motherfuckers. Absorb this. Ready. Ball. Inside. Ready now. Inside. Hold now. Drop all your east. On the ground. Southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South now. Give it damage on the ground. Ready. They're gonna engage. Spread. Good job. Spread. Be careful. Tanks hold them inside. Disrupt. Good disrupt. Heels inside. Drop duties. Yo, hold them on the center. South, inside us in 5, north, 3, 2, 1. North now. Give it damage here. Blow this up. Good job. Yo, finish the kills. If If you're low, you stay on the ground. Stay on the ground if you're low. Stay on the ground if you're low. Defense, wait. 5 seconds is gonna engage. 5 seconds is gonna engage. 5 seconds is gonna engage. Ready. Engage now. Defense. Walk in. All of your east. South. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All of your east. South. On the ground. Good job, boys. That's it. Keep fighting here. GG down, GG. Oh, CC. Okay, come on. We're done. Come on. Good job, boys. Good job. You guys are like motherfuckers.
Look, guys, look up.
Lance, alala mo to si Sweetit?
Ano?
Sweetit, yung wannabe caller sa Ascension dati.
Hindi ko tanda.
Yung Indiano part.
Indiano?
Oo.
Kilala ko. Yan yun?
Ah, yan. Wannabe yun. Yo, wait now. Again, maintain formation, right? Ready to disrupt them. Hold now. Break and wag mo i-advance. Timing mo. Tignan mo. Yo, yung mga solo claps natin, finish kills. Hold now. Everybody push in. Yo, heavy maces, do your job, okay? Hold now. I'm gonna do a fake. Okay. Right, that's a fake. Defense center. Yo, walk in. Go to the back line now. Walk in. Tanks, hold them here. This is where we want them. Hold them here. Everybody push southeast. Everybody push southeast. Turn northwest now. Ready, northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West now. On me. Clap this. Okay. Good job, boys. Defense.
Election time.
Yeah, it's fine. Just put cleanses.
I am.
Yeah, roll them here, boys.
I'm in connect one.
Roll them here. GG. Now, yo, kill this motherfucker. Kill this guy. Okay, GG na. Stop. We just need to kill him. Stop. We just need to kill him.
Hindi naman nalatang may galit mo.
Come on.
Kagad isang patay na lang, GG na.
Okay. Yo, we're gonna pull push in, ha? Are your pads ready?
Ready, Pats.
Okay, we're gonna pull push in. Come. Walk with the crown. Forgotten take space, healers take space. Okay, bigger good. Where are they going? P1 saan sila papunta?
Ay, yata yan, magigit na silang ganyan sa gitna.
Ah, okay. Sige, hindi pinapangot ni P1. Patayin nyo nga yun.
Wala, pag-inapin nyo yan, tapos na.
Sige na, maging kupal tayo. Yo, they're dismounted. Yo, we'll try to walk it, ha? This is a tight space. I need you to take formation. I need proper disrupts from the depth tanks. Just walk in. Grab your Judy.
Wala na silang disrupt.
Okay. Just grab your Judy. Walk in, boys. They fall engage on me. Come on, walk in. Yo, backline, boys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Backline now. On the ground.
Na-disrupt na.
Na-disrupt tayo. Just walk. Forgotten, take northwest. Healers take northwest. Come north. Help away here. Yo, ready. They're gonna turn. Be careful my north. Ready, northeast. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop all your east. On me. Imposibleng wala tayong mapatay dyan. GG. Good job.
Kupal ka ba, boss?
Ang buhay. Yo, join me.
Damn, bro. 67 assists.
Hinihintay ko magpasabog si Drake, hindi ko matanda.
Ano, Yurios? Clapcom tayo?
Pwede, try natin platform.
Ba't hindi pwede yung, boss?
May skill kasi.
Nasa party ka, P1?
Bawal yung may...
Wala din ako sa party.
Nasa party ka? Wait lang, ticket ah.
Tiraan po.
Hindi, okay na yun eh. Siguro... Demi... Ray... Who's not in the party? Except this. Healers are doing good. Forgot it. Healers are bangers. Missing one. Who's not in the party?
Ako.
Lamps.
Okay, ready. Ano din na pa ba daw?
Ano kaya sinasabi nila sa comms ngayon?
Ito ang kalit ni Demo. Ano yun, pag namatay, di nababalik, magmamount up na lang, ha?
Ano yan, boss?
Parang ano daw ata,
Namatay
Urios, para to
na-
simulate daw yung actual fight.
Mount up na din, nababalik sa laban. Kapag wala ka ng DPS, kulang ka na sa tao, doon ka na mag-call ng GG. Tapos, ganun yung, alam mo.
Kaya yan.
Paano yung rigger and comeback?
Walang rigir.
Parang walang rigir.
Sige. Doon ako.
When you die, you stay. Stay or mount up.
Bubukpam, tangi ka yung lahat.
Ano sabihin ko sa kanila? Ano sabihin ko sa kanila?
Ano na yan?
Ay, bakal. Let's just get on with it.
Kikita mo yung ano, yung mga sino na mamatay.
Okay na yan, Demi?
Wag na.
Huwag na mag-set na rin. Okay.
Sabi daw,
Ganun din naman.
sige, sabi daw wait lang daw, papalit daw sila kung sinabi ko magka-club tayo eh.
Ay, ba't mo sinasabi ko natin?
Hindi, para sa tanong kasi kung ano, para tawag dito, kung nakita kasing brawl, baka mawala ng gana eh. Sabi ko, clap naman tayo ngayon.
Bring up na lang, bring up.
Bring such boys.
Brawl and
Sabi mo po.
Baka mawala ng gana kapag alam nila ulit na brawl tayo eh.
Oo, walang talagang gana yan. Kahit ano, basta natatalo. Ayan.
Grabe naman. Ito, grabe ito. Ano, kung madinurate mo ka na ba?
Hindi natutunan ko yun kay Lance S. GM pa dati.
Gago pala eh.
Nag-name drop.
Doon, loko lang. Sige, yan.
Di naman ako ganyan. Pag ako, kahit kaibigan ko, minumura ko.
Di ba?
Inayin niyo! Makabobo lang! Bobo kayo! Makabobo! Ala, yung 2020 natin, no? Wala mo, mura lang, mura. Lance Caller daw, Lance Caller. Lance Caller! Caller! Gago. Hindi ako pwede maingay.
Baka maririnig ko na naman yung swimming in the deep. Swimming in the deep. Swim. Ay. Swimming in the deep. Ganda ng comp na ganun sa small scale. The comp is actually good in small scales. There's a lot of hooks, especially when the timing is right. Like what we did a while ago. Hold nyo lang. When you see natural clumps, you hold them. Then that's it. Rapolyo is there.
Ang galing nga ng healer eh. Wala akong kapots foods. Di ako namamatay.
Okay. All the healers, you're very good. Ay, these are banners. Chick. Lalisa. Zaplin is waiting for one slot. Oh, forgot. Full flip of my party. Ayaw nila ba?
Huwag nyo nasali yan. Wala namang ginawa yan eh.
Ay, lang.
Hindi na ba ginagamit sa heavy base?
Ginagamit pero ano na lang. Pero more on incubus na kasi pagka-brawl. Wait lang, Igo. Dala ka lang, Igo. Oh, where's Bang Zaplin? There's a slot. Bumalik ba si full flip?
Balik ka, tara lang. Nag-isip na. Huwag na.
-4 daw sila. Furious.
Ano yun?
Bawas sila 4.
Eh,
Wait lang daw.
nawalan ng moral yata.
Nagano na ata, tatawag na raw sa world boss. Yung iba.
Tagal na kasi.
Ayan,
para pagka outnumber sila.
Kung Furious, pwede ako lumipat siguro doon para maano. Kung medyo marami tayo dito.
Ayun.
Maghanap doon na sila. Wala silang hanap. Lipat ka doon.
Sabihan ko sila.
Yung red. Mas red ba yung color doon?
Well said.
May bod yata ako.
Lalakit na alam lang.
Tapos
Sinabihan ni Tindik na ano. He said, make engage po. Sabi doon nagsilang, 5, 4, 3. Kaya ang fake engage binilangan. Ay, nako.
engage naman yun eh. At sa bridge yun eh.
Yo, Franzik, I stopped them. Did you know that I'm a real life model? Okay lang yan. Sabay bukas ng front cam eh. Ay, nako.
Ang itsura.
Bye.
Grabe naman talaga to. Grabe na talaga mga taga Mindanao.
Kung ikaw yung tinanong ko doon, mas malala ka sasabihin mo eh. Alam ko ba na sinabi mo sa kanya kadado eh?
Gogo, hindi wala akong sinabi.
Lala ko pa yung mga ano ni Lance wise words. Talo kami sa small scale part. Sabi na. Ang ganda na kayo, Para kay tumatandang tao ron. Nandiyan lang siya.
Vice merge. Ang ina kasi, paulit na lang sabihin di na totoo to. Lalong bumabobo eh.
Eh, syempre, natututo pa lang eh. First time yata eh.
Galit na galit siya doon. Sa BRO ba yun? BRO ito yung kasama natin eh. Lumalaban kami sa harap. Mga taga-BRO. Demi, ano na daw?
Wait lang. Kinakausap ko pa. Hindi nagre-reply eh. Okay, nakasikaso yung comp.
Yan niya na lang at ako mag-Facebook muna.
Oy, Minashi! Stop duel! Invite ulit, Demi.
Wait, kinakausap ka. Lipat daw ako kabila. May makakapal sa akin. Julius.
Meron, dente ba sila?
Wait lang. Saan ka? UH. Ilan sila? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Eh, Team Burgers natin, isa lang naman.
Ay, gabi, na-invite ko na si Kelem.
Go lang.
Oh my God.
Wait lang, lipat ako, Coms. Good luck. Wag niyo ako i-focus, please. Para mag-enjoy ako.
Rider. Huwag ka mag-alala,
Wag
Demi.
niyo ako lagyan ng skull.
Huwag kang mag-alala, markado ka sa amin.
Wait lang, lipat lang ako, Coms.
Pupusukin ka na. Hello.
Uy, gagi.
Hello?
Nag-full kayo sa arena. Fuck that shit.
Where's Demi
Gaging arena with like the proper arena.
He's from Coalition. Oh, okay.
Yeah, mas pay. Hollow Fall, I have a pocket. Naka Hollow Fall, Night Helm, Face Scale. Ano to?
Is it playing with us?
Face Scale
Yeah.
and Virtues. I have a pocket,
okay.
Hollow Fall, Guardian Helm, and Night Helmet.
Wait, let me see. How many healers do we have? 1, 2, 3 healers, right? Realm is also healing, right? I think we have 2 blights. 2 blights. And only 1 hollow fall.
2 hollow fall, 1 ball.
Okay, I need 1 more blight or rampant. Can you use that? That would be perfect.
Why don't we let Wolf join?
Hey, you can let anybody you want join. I'm good. Just wait. You ready?
You wanna join?
Let me ready first, okay guys? Let me ready first. Blight with Judy. Blight with face skill is better. Since my hollow fall is only using Judy. Also, we have too many Judys. So it's okay.
The fuck it has dash like that? Yeah.
GA, just keep in mind, stop engages. Well, other D-tanks just, well, if they're brawl, just make sure they just don't let them kite if they're kiting. Don't let them walk in if you're kiting. Simple task.
Sign up, boy.
Sino magkakall? Ikaw pa magkakall?
No,
One more, right?
Copy, copy.
Let's do this RMT. I will start with the one and mace, and then I'll switch later to Earthworm after we win a little bit, okay?
You want me to go Earthworm?
No, I will swap to one and mace for now. Yeah, you can use Earthworm. That's perfect. Also, just wait, okay? Just wait for my call. I will call the fake. Don't worry, okay? I will call the fake.
What the hell was
Just wait for me.
Zari?
This is arena, man.
Oh my
You
god.
go walk north, okay? Go walk north, okay? Walk north, okay? Walk north, walk north. North. Can someone crown me? Someone crown me. Who's the power? Crown me. Give the sword to RMT. Everybody food up, by the way.
Kunong map to?
Or to RMT. Guys, go north.
Normal arena map.
GA, please stop the enemy on their engage, okay? Don't waste it. Thank you. Alright. Thanks ahead. After this engage, you can start going and brawling, okay? If they try to brawl us, we just brawl back, okay? Mana fake engage south. Actually guys, fake engage south in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1, shallow now, right here. Kill the tanks. Good. Come northeast. Everybody come northeast, please. Come northeast. Just come northeast, tank stop them. Good G. Come northeast, guys, come northeast. Okay, now walk stop it. Let's full defensive and keep rolling. Full defensive, come stop this inside. Defensive. I called for defensive just now like 5 times, guys. Come on. Just pop your potion if you guys are dying, okay? Pop your potions, guys. Don't roll mindlessly, okay? Pop your potions. Good. It's okay. Come southwest. Come west. Dude, this map is fucking weird. Come west.
Bro, we're
Following north? Yeah, I know we're full. Yeah, but I'm waiting for them to walk in first, so we can just defensive and just counter with our full brawl. We can just walk in. Brawlers, by the way, you can walk in, okay? You can walk in right here. Brawlers, walk in. Come back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the jump. Drop on the jump. It's okay. Just, guys, brawlers, walk in defensively, okay? Defensively. Good thing. Walk in southwest. Everybody walk in southwest. Brawl the healer, brawl the D-tanks inside of you. Brawl the GA inside of you. Brawl the GA, guys. Brawl southwest. Come in southwest. They have no engage. Come in southwest. Come inside them southwest. Guys. Push through. Look at the choke southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Choke southwest now. Big here. Good. Now, come southwest. You're holding. Kill the people inside of you. Big engage east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big engage. Good take. Everybody south and stabilize. Oh, I'm dead. Call, RMT, just call.
Let's keep rolling. Come south. Let's keep rolling southwest. Let's keep dropping Judy. Ready for defensive. Do not engage.
I know, Lane, but I'm just trying to put this on show. It's kind of interesting when you play like this.
I'm gonna engage inside of in 3, 2, 1. Drop
Guys,
everything
kill the people inside you, okay? Please. Look southwest, okay? Heal up, full defensive, okay? Look southwest, okay? If you have E, just drop in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now, inside. Oh my fucking god, fuck. Okay, everybody, just GG. Well, dude, are they this, chase us? Sure, dude. Are they this toxic? Is Coalition usually this toxic? Damn, bro. Man. It's kind of weird. I like to play in non-conventional positions like this. I don't want to take the advantage on them, that's why I'm trying to play like this, but it's weird. Brawler D-Tank inside of you. Brawlers walk in southwest. Brawlers walk in southwest. Brawlers just walk in. Brawlers you can walk in. Brawlers you can walk in. Guys, spread. Taking it south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come southwest. Brawlers walk southwest. Look at the healer. Look at Evo Kadok. Look southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Full drop. Good drop. Defensive. Keep brawling. Come best, guys. Guys, you have to push through, okay? You guys are not pushing through. Okay, you guys are not really pushing through. Heal up. Heal me. Not getting any heals. Are they using a Morning Star? These builds are so fucking shit. Guys, healers, step up, okay? And guys, please walk through, just push through, go for the healers. We have heals, bro. We have enough heals. The thing is, guys, listen. Healers step up, and brawlers, look for the healers. I don't know what you're brawling. I really can't tell what you guys are brawling. All the healers, okay? When I tell you to walk in, just brawl the healers. Now we are fighting open world, okay? I'm giving you what you want, fight open world. But walk inside. And spread. When you brawl, spread a bit. Look at your positioning, spread. Just walk in west. If you guys are ready to fight, just walk in west. I'm gonna fake engage west, okay? In 5, 4, 3, I'm just faking. Walk in, everyone, walk in. 2, 1, just a fake, okay? Just a fake. You can walk in and brawl. Brawl their backline, please. You guys are not brawling their backline, okay? Brawl their backline. They're looking. Defensive ready. Do not clump, just spread. Spread south. You're not taking space south. Look south, guys. Look south. There's so much space. Spread. Look northwest, okay? Ready. Defensive ready. Look west in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. West now. Big west. Can you kill me? Thank you for fuck's sake. Come east, kill the people east. Brawl the people east. My infernals take the kill space. My infernals go deep. Everybody else kill the people east. Spread, guys. Spread for fuck's sake. Spread. Defensive ready now. Look, just walk in. Look at the front, guys. Walk in with the front. I want heals in the front side. Heals, so we can walk in heals. Look west. In 4, shall okay? If you ever kill the people inside us. In 3, in 2, kill the people inside us here. Can you kill them here? Thank you. Keep walking. Look at the people east. Drop Judy. Look at the people east. Kill the people east. It's okay. Heal up. Everybody come east. Heal up. If you don't have heals, come east. Heal up. Healers come. Look at east. We need heals. Guys, we're stabilizing east. Guys, you're stabilizing east. Guys, I'm calling it like 5 times. If you're still going ahead, you're wasting time. Okay? Good. We're stabilizing east. Just stabilize first. They already lost that fight. Okay, stabilize. It's okay. Please heal up. Okay, very good. Spread, guys. Spread. Take space north. Brawlers, you can walk in. Go ahead. Okay, good. They use defensive here, okay? Get ready. They're ready to attack. Defensive now. Just pop defensive. Look west. In front. 4, 3, 2, big west. Kill this. Walk in west. Defensive. Pop potion. Walk in west. Just walk in west. Look for the healers. Look at that. One of their people is 1 HP. The glaive is 1 HP. Kill the walk in west. Guys, look west deep. Brawlers, look west deep. Please just go in deep. Guys, do not fight back. Walk west. If you kite back, we are losing, guys. Do not kite back. I never asked you to kite. Go east. You have to go west, guys. RMT, can you call? I'm dead. Okay. It's just brawl, huh? Okay. Good. I mean, as long as you're still alive, it's good. Guys, don't kite, okay? If you're kiting back, you're fucking up. Don't kite. There's no reason to kite. Okay, ready. Look west. Full engage west, okay? With me, RMT in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full engage west. Okay, it's okay. Come east now. Guys, can we heal up? Look west. They're dying west, guys. Can you get heal and just walk in? Brawlers, just walk in. It's just brain dead fighting, guys. Just walk in. Look, all of them are 1 HP. All of them are fucking 1 HP. Just walk in west. Guys, I see some people kiting east. Don't go east. Just walk in west. For fuck's sake, come in west. Even if you don't have defensive, come in west. Look west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West now. Big big west, look, please, if you don't look at this, oh my god, again, engage on that, please, engage on that, just hit that, okay, thank you. Again, guys, I don't know why we're fighting. Guys, hold this area. Everybody hold this, okay, hold here. I drop Judy, drop Judy, guys, full defensive, pop potion if you need to, look west, on me, okay, on me, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on me here, just kill this tank, okay, good, come east, brawlers, you can stay, come east, guys, just hold here, heal up first, we have no heals, just heal up, please heal, kill the people inside us, brawlers, yeah, good, now we are doing well, come north, now let's try to fight the choke, guys, open world is pretty easy, come north, I want to do something that is hard, come north. Guys, listen, after this engage, right, after our engage, you can walk in. Use your brains on brawl, after our engage, you can walk in. Okay? After our engage, just walk in. And just spread. You only have to spread. That's the only job. Okay? Full engage, okay? Full engage with me. 5, inside us. In 5, in 4, in 3, inside us. In 2, on the ground. In, okay, it's okay. Guys, comes up, walk in now, okay, throw the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, biggest club ever, guys, biggest club fucking ever, walk in south, just walk in, they're dying, just walk in, 2%, walk in, pop potion, walk in, just pop potion, walk in, guys, walk in, please heal, please. Guys, healers, why are you fighting back, bro? Just come inside, don't be scared. Oh my god. GG's, it's enough for today, RNT. Let's just watch the clips. I want to see why we're fighting back. Okay, GG's guys, GG's. It's okay. Let's just watch. We lost fair and square, okay? GG's. Nothing.